line charge. So place a line charge in z axis. In z axis. Now consider a point P on y axis. Consider a point P on y axis. To analyze this line charge, take a small portion, take that distance as dl. It is located at a point P. So consider a line charge. So line charge now, we are going to take a long straight conductor with infinite number of line charges. It is placed in a orbit P coordinate system. Now we are going to consider a charge point P on y axis. Similarly, in this line charge, we are going to analyze the circuit. For analyzing the circuit, என்ன பண்ணணும்? Full-ஆ இருந்ததுன்னா ஒரு சின்ன portion தானே எடுப்போம். So similarly, in this full line charge, we are taking a small portion taken as dl, and this point is taken as q. So now join PQ. Join PQ. So the distance between origin and Q is taken as Z. Origin and Q is taken as Z. Distance between origin and P is taken as R. The distance between PQ is taken as capital letter R. Take note right here. So at point we have x-axis value 0, y-axis value r, z-axis value 0. Similarly at point Q, x-axis 0, y-axis 0, z-axis value is z. Actually, we need to find electric field intensity. What is electric field intensity? This E is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into AR vector. Now we need to find what is the value of charge Q. So what is the value of charge Q? So before defining this, we have taken the charge as point charge. So in that point charge, it is represented as Q. After your point charge, it will be analyzed in three forms. Line charge, surface charge, volume charge. Line charge will be represented as rho L dl. Surface na rho S ds. Volume na rho V dv. So in infinite line charge. So your charge Q is represented as line charge. So it is rho L dl. Now we have to find what is dl. dl is the differential length. हम एंगे எடுத்துக்கோ differential length இங்க in terms of point Q we have taken a differential length. So எந்த axis ல இருக்கு? It is your z axis. Z axis ல தான் change in length form ஆகுது. So we can treat this dl as dz. சார்ஜ்ங்கிறதுனால லோயல் டிஇசட் இசட் ஆக்சிஸில் மட்டும்தான் சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால இசட்ங்கிறது டிஇசட்டாக மாறிடும். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் we need to find the value of r. Second one, find the value of r. So to find r, consider it is moving from Q to P. So actually if you go A B na B minus A apna Q to P. Q to P. So it is r times of OP minus r times of OQ. Value at point P it is 0, x value is 0, y value is r, z value is 0. Similarly at Q, x value 0, y value 0, z value is z. Ready for P minus Q. So 0 minus 0 ax vector plus r minus 0 ay vector plus 0 minus z az vector. Therefore, r vector will be equal to r ay vector minus z az vector. After finding r vector, find your unit vector. So unit vector ar vector is r vector divided by modulus of r vector. So we need to know the value of modulus of r vector. So to find magnitude, it is root of r the whole square plus minus z the whole square. So it is root of r square plus z square. Therefore unit vector is r ay vector minus z az vector divided by root of r square plus z square. After finding all the values, substitute in your e value. Diagram மட்டும் வைக்கலாம். So DE வேரியபிள் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணுறதா ஸ்மால் ஆர் கேபிட்டல் ஆர்னு கேபிட்டல் ஆர்ங்கிறது ஹைப்போடெனஸ் வேல்யூ, இந்த வேரியபிள் ஆர்ங்கிறது ஓடிபி உள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆகும். அப்புறம் அசீவ் பண்ணும்போது டயக்ராமில் அசீவ் பண்ணுறது என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி Q alone will be changed. So when you substitute all the values, here we have differential in terms of z. Okay, va? So appo adanal I am replacing e as d. Okay, va? here z into az vector is 0. Z az vector is 0. Az vector is 0. Full stop. As the charges is present on z axis, as the charge is present on z axis, its limit is varied from minus infinity to plus infinity. Its limit is varied from minus infinity to plus infinity. Here, this term z az vector is taken as 0 and its limit is varying from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, wow. So, here z axis z into az vector 0 we are placing the line charge on z axis. அதனால அந்த இடத்துல வந்துட்டு no charges. சரியா? So it is taken as minus z az vector as 0. Since infinite line charge is placed on z axis, we are eliminating z value. இந்த value நெகேட் பண்ணல, az vector நெகேட் பண்றேன். சரியா? So this is 0. So and your limit is varying from minus infinity to plus infinity since it is a infinite line charge. சரியா? So அது plus 0 la அப்படினா சொல்லல. infinite கொடுத்திருக்கனால plus infinite ஆவும் இருக்கலாம் minus ஆவும் இருக்கலாம். So minus to plus ன்னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Substituted. So d into e will be equal to minus infinity to plus infinity rho l dz divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here already we have root of r square plus z square. இங்க root of r square plus z square the whole square. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம் கம்பைன் பண்ணா r square plus z square இதுல root போயிடும். இங்க root எதுக்கு? பவர்ல போட்டா r square plus z square whole power 1 by 2. Here root இல்ல, so whole power 1. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? ஆட் பண்ண 1 plus 1 by 2 வரும் 3 by 2. சரியா? So it is r square plus z square whole power 3 by 2. Here second term gets reduced. Therefore it is r az vector ay vector into dz. Correct? So denominator term la r square plus z square இருக்கும். Next term it is root of r square plus z square. So for simplification it is taken as r square plus z square into r square plus z square whole power 1 by 2. Here it is 1. So it is r square plus z square. If you take common 1 plus 1 by 2 r square plus z square whole power 3 by 2. point is taken as Q. Here we have origin. Between O and P we have taken small letter r. Between O and Q is it PQ R. Now consider here we have a angle theta. From this find what is sin theta, cos theta, and finally find what is tan theta. Sin is equal to opposite by Z by capital R. Cos theta small r divided by capital R. Tan theta means opposite sin by cos Z by R. From this we can write tan theta is equal to Z divided by small letter r. So it is Z is equal to r times of tan theta. இது எல்லாம் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்குமா? இங்க we have dz. இங்க இருக்கு z. அப்ப dz ஆ மாத்தணும்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Differentiate. So differentiating this term z will become dz r into tan theta को differentiate பண்ணா secant आ secant square आ secant square confirm secant square theta differentiating theta it is d theta. So we can replace dz by r secant square theta. Differentiating theta it is d theta. Then use your limits. When z is equal to minus infinity, find theta. Minus infinity. Similarly, when z is equal to plus infinity. When z is equal to minus infinity, theta is tan inverse of z divided by r. So theta will be equal to tan inverse of minus infinity. Tan inverse of minus infinity is minus pi by 2. Similarly, when z is equal to plus infinity, theta will be equal to tan inverse of z divided by r. So it is tan inverse of plus infinity. Tan inverse of infinity is plus pi by 2. Now substitute this. Substitute the limit. Find the answer. ஏன்னா 90 டிகிரி அப்படி போச்சு. See actually அந்த triangle இருந்து tan theta கண்டுபிடிச்சோமா? இங்க theta ன்னு இருக்கு. So theta வை differentiate பண்ணா d theta. அப்ப இந்த limits should be in the form of theta. சரியா? அதனால என்ன பண்றேன்? Again I am using this equation. In this equation theta will be equal to tan inverse of z divided by r. So z எடுத்து நான் என்ன போட்டுருக்கேன்? infinity. Infinity divided by any value will be infinity தான். So அப்ப tan inverse of minus infinity மாறும், tan inverse of plus infinity மாறும். Now substitute all the values. So d e will be equal to, in case of minus infinity it is minus pi by 2, in place of plus infinity it is plus pi by 2 rho l divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. In the denominator I have r square in the denominator, if you take r square common, you will be getting 1 plus tan square theta whole power 3 by 2. 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta. So it is r square into secant square theta whole power 3 by 2. That's your so DE will be equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 rho L r secant square theta d theta into r ay vector r square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Finally, this r square secant square theta whole power 3 by 2. So multiplying with 3 by 2 minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 rho L r square secant square theta d theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here it is r square secant cube theta into ay vector. Correct? Finally, in the denominator it is r square secant square. Multiply with whole power 3 by 2. 2 cancel ஆகுமா? So அப்ப remaining 3 இருக்கு. So r cube secant cube theta. Similar இங்க ஒரு r இருக்கு. Numeratorல 2 times of r. So it is r square. So here r square and r square will get cancelled. Secant square and secant square will get cancelled. So finally it is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 rho L d theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Denominator we will be having r and secant theta into ay vector. இதுக்கு அப்புறமா இன்டகிரேட் பண்ண முடியுமா? ஏன் பண்ண முடியும்? பண்ணலாம். d theta இருக்கு. denominator secant theta இருக்கு. 1 by secant theta is constant. So we can take rho L divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r as a common term. So limit minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. 1 by secant theta is cos theta d theta into ay vector. So integrated cos integrate பண்ண என்ன வரும்? sin minus of plus plus. So sin theta minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So it is rho L divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r into sin pi by 2 minus of sin minus pi by 2. Into a by vector. Value of sin by 1 now. Sin 90 degree 1. Right. Sin minus 90 minus 1 now. So it is minus 1. So 1 minus of minus 1 is 2. 2 now. Rho L divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r into 1 minus of minus 1. So it is plus 2. So So you will be getting final answer rho L divided by 2 pi epsilon naught R into Ay vector.